Greetings from Nynäshamn, and I have discovered this rocky beach spot here in the nature, and it can be definitely considered a spontaneous nude beach spot, as there is basically nobody here on a hot day like this, as you need to walk first along the forest to get to the spot. And there are so many places like this here in Nynäshamn. Nynäshamn is the southernmost municipality, one of them actually, in the Stockholm region. And on this Sunday, it's time for me to swim in the sea again and to show you the beauty of Stockholm. Last weekend also, I went to Nynäshamn one of the days, but I'm also now at a different spot. As last time I was close to Nynäshamn and Nykstabadet. Now I'm at Lövhagen, which you need to take a bus from the Nynäshamn to get here, but there is also, you can also walk, as it is around 3 kilometers. And yeah, I continue to explore remote beach spots on the sea during the weekends. And even though the forecast said rain and clouds, the sun is up. So I'm at the right place at the right time. It is 22 degrees Celsius here, and we're gonna find out the temperature in the sea in a bit. The sea looks so clean and so clear, and we're gonna check it out, how much it's in, how much is the temperature today. You can see through everything through the bottom, and I'm hoping for it to be more than Värmdö yesterday, where it was 15 degrees Celsius. So let's see, we have 17 degrees Celsius in the sea, so it is warmer on this end, which is super amazing as well. Indeed, it looks quite nice, I'm not gonna lie. So let's get going and take a swim in the sea. It looks quite amazing, and lots of plants here and there, but it's going to be perfect for a swim indeed. Wow, it's perfect indeed, and so warm at the same time. Amazing spot to find indeed. Check it out. It's so amazing indeed. There, it's a bit windy, I'm not gonna lie, but it is still amazing. So yeah, let's swim a bit. And enjoy. Even though it's a bit windy. Yes, Nynäshamn baby. Let's go. Later I might try to find a different spot that has shield from the wind, so I just need to establish the direction of the wind. But yeah, other than that, it's time for Chris to swim in the sea, in the Baltic Sea here in Nynäshamn on this 12th of July. I didn't mention that it is, and dish the number 89 in the Sweden beach adventures. 22 degrees in the air and 17 in the sea. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!